Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you how to make mixed juice. It's my favorite drink as a child, served in Japanese style old-fashioned coffee shop, and my father brought me there on Sunday morning and it was my happy moment. Do you remember I've shared Mix-sando? The word mix is appreciated because we feel like we have everything good in one serving. It's a quick and easy recipe. You can make it in no time. Let's get started. You will need a nicely ripe banana for this recipe and canned fruit like tangerine and pineapple to add the tanginess. You can use all fresh fruit, but the signature taste is come from canned fruit actually, so add at least one canned fruit. Pour in half a cup of whole milk and some pieces of ice cubes. Blend until smooth, and there you have it. Enjoy the refreshing summer taste. The banana adds the sweetness and the thickness to it, and the pineapple and tangerine gives a comfortable tanginess to it. It makes a unique flavor. The taste instantly brings me back to my childhood. I hope you will like it too. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!